Hey, it's Josh with GC Water. Today we're going to go over a peristaltic pump change on a formulator, retrofitting it with the new one we have and removing of the old. So starting off on the steps, first we want to flip the switch for the formulator off and then the pump switch off. And then we're going to want to put it into bypass, which will relieve pressure for 1 and 2 removal. Then we're going to unplug the unit. And then we are ready to start removing of filters and pump. So what we're going to do is remove filter 1 first. So to do that, we're going to twist it to the left, quarter turn, and pull down. Same with 2. Now when it has some pressure to it, it might be a little tight, so you might have to give a good little yank to it to get it out. Then we're going to want to take the tubing out of the formula A and the B, and to do that you're just going to push down on the collet and pull up on the tubing. Okay, and then we're going to want to get a pair of dikes. So we're going to be removing the tubing that's going to the tank from the peristaltic pump now. To do that, we're going to want to cut these off. We're not going to need these anymore, so let's get off. Then all these are just barb fittings. You're going to pull the 1/16 tubing out of them. Really easy to do. Next we'll be removing the actual pump out. So it's just 4 screws that hold on. We've already taken the 1 out. So you're going to have the 2 on this side. And then 2 on the inside. And then when this is out, all you do, you're going to unplug the plug on the back, pull it, and that is it for removal. Now we're going to be installing of the new peristaltic pumps now that we've removed the old one. So first thing first is we're going to put the transformer in. So we're going to take the plug that we unplugged from the old peristaltic pump and just plug it right in. It's going to go on the one with the 2 black wires. The red and the black ones will be for the peristaltic pumps. Then you're going to remove the little red coating for the double-sided tape. And you're going to put this in. Now there's a bunch of wires in here, so you're going to want to kind of get them out of the way so this will go all the way flush on the back. And it's going to be quite a tight fit, so just finagle it in there, you'll get it. Once it's back, just apply pressure on it so that the tape will sit. Alright. Okay. So now, grab the peristaltic pump set. So we're going to plug these in. It doesn't matter which ones they go into, both the same. Now, I'm going to put the plate onto the box. Just wrap these up. Before you close it up, make sure all the wiring's connected, everything stayed good. Put it in there. Okay, so we're going to want to connect these wires or tubing to the ones that are going to the tank. So take a pair of tubing cutters. We're going to want to cut them so that they'll slide on really easy. Alright, so that's the green. and then we will want to get the tubing that's with the kit also, and this will be running down to the formula jugs. So just install those like so. Those are just pushed right in to the quick connect fitting and right in. Alright. So now it is installed, we will want to put the filters back in. So starting with filter number 2, what you're going to do is line up, there's grooves on here, there's 2 on one on the other. You're going to line them up with the head, push up, and then twist right, quarter turn. Okay, next we will put it back off the bypass, and then plug the unit back in. And then flip on pump, the AB switch. And that is complete install of a new Peristaltic pump.